Hey folks, I'm Walter, and you know, one way for you to have a bad cruise is to pick the wrong cruise ship. I mean, it's like any other vacation you're planning where, you know, sometimes I just want to go all the time, and other vacations, like, I'm just going to chill and relax. And then there's that combination where when I'm off the ship, I want to go. When I'm on the ship, I just want to be pampered and chill. See, you can book the most amazing itinerary, but if you pick the wrong ship, that's what you're going to remember. It's going to bring the whole vacation down, because remember, depending on the itinerary, you're going to be spending 50 to 75% of your vacation on that ship. It's your hotel, it's your restaurants, it's your bars, it's your entertainment, it's all the activities, the pool. So about 50 to 75% of your entire vacation enjoyment is going to be based on what happens on the ship. So let's start with the cabin. You know, is the cabin just going to be a place to lay your head? I don't care what's in it. As long as it has a bed and a bathroom, I'm good. Or do you have specific things that you'd like to have? You know, maybe you want a balcony, maybe you want a suite, or there's specific amenities that you would like inside that cabin. And again, just for this upcoming vacation, because yeah, sometimes I just want to throw my stuff in, I don't care. And another time, I would really like to pamper myself this time. I would like certain things in the cabin. And then you look at that activity level. Do you want to have lots of activities on the ship so you can just go all day long? Or do you want something that's more of a resort? So look, when I'm on the ship, I want a nice pool. I want to be able to lay outside. I want to be able to chill inside with a good bar. What do you want that ship experience to be? Because, you know, sometimes it's a combination of both. You want to be really active when you're on land, you're going out and you're doing the ATVs and the helicopters and all of that when you're out on land, but then when you come back to the ship, I just want to be a really nice chill experience. And keep in mind that the ships that have a lot more activities on the upper decks, like the ropes courses and things like that, they're going to have more families. So for this particular vacation, would you like to go a little bit more adult-centric, or are you okay with a whole bunch of kids and families running around on the ship? Because that is going to affect the quality of your vacation. And don't fall into the trap of, oh, well, Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, Carnival, well, those are really active ships. They're really big, they're really loud. Not necessarily. All three of those cruise lines have smaller ships. Some of them without much of anything at all on the upper deck, and they attract a more adult clientele. So don't just cross off the family-based cruise line, because they may have a smaller ship and an itinerary that fits exactly for what you're looking for. And if you're enjoying the channel, please consider subscribing, hitting that little bell icon. And when you're ready for your next cruise, consider booking with us at Where's Walter Travel. Links in the description below. Thanks. Now, going hand in hand with active or chill, do you want a ship that's loud or quiet, especially at night? Because nothing will ruin your cruise more than you wanting to have nice, chill, relaxing evenings and then finding out you're on the Las Vegas party ship. Now, if you have any mobility issues or you use a scooter to get around on board, obviously you want to know, well, how is that cabin configured? Is it going to work for me? Can my scooter come in the room, or is it going to sit out in a certain area where I can charge it up? And then where's your cabin in relation to the elevators? And then how many elevator banks does the ship actually have? See, when I have people with mobility issues, I try to find a ship that has at least 3 elevator banks, you know, middle, fore, and aft, because that middle one's always going to be busy. There's always so many things going on in the middle of the ship. But if you have a fore and an aft elevator bank, a good chance that person can just go to one of those banks and have a much easier time finding an elevator to get up and down to the decks they want to go. Then how about the food, the beverage, and the entertainment? You know, there's some vacations that you're like, you know what, hamburgers, chicken sandwiches, salad, buffet, I'm good. That's all I need. Then other vacations, the food is a little more important. I want the steakhouse. I want that good seafood restaurant. I want to go to the hibachi. And when it comes to your drinks, you know, some vacations, like, you know what, beer and those nice fun beach drinks, I'm good. And other times, like, look, I would really like to have a nice whiskey bar. How about an Irish pub? Hey, how about a cigar lounge where I can enjoy my brandy? Yeah, you can get those on cruise ships too. Then with the entertainment, you know, some vacations, like, look, I just want to sit at the bar, maybe listen to a piano and a guitar. I'm going to talk to my friends for the week. I don't need anything big. Then other vacations, it's all about the entertainment. You know, I want to go to a comedy club. I want to go to a blues club. How about one of those big water shows on the back of the ship, or maybe a big Broadway show up in the theater? If you're going to spend 50 to 75% of your vacation on the cruise ship, it's really important that we match up the ship with what your expectations are for that vacation. Look, no ship is going to check off every single box, but we can try to get it as close as possible so you have the best vacation. And that's why we always say use a travel advisor. They can help you find the right ship, because you may very well be surprised that there's a ship out there that you're not even looking at that may have most of what you're looking for on your next vacation. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and when you're ready for your next cruise, consider booking with us at Where's Walter Travel, and also check out the merch store while you're on the website. So many fun designs for your next cruise. Thanks for your support.